வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா நவம்பர் மந்தோட பார்ட் 2 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். So first one, which state is the host of India Energy Week 2023? So it is Karnataka. What species is Solanum scalarium, which was recently discovered in Australia? So it is potato and tomato. Mount Mayon, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? It is located in Philippines. Anamalai Tiger Reserve is located in which state? So it is located in Tamil Nadu. Silent Valley National Park is located in which state or union territory? It is located in Kerala. Pushkar Mela is the flagship cultural fair held in which Indian state? So it is in Rajasthan. The foundation stone for iconic site museum was laid in which state? So it is in Tamil Nadu. Vishwa Bharati University, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which state? So it is situated in West Bengal. Hay fever is associated with which country? So it is associated with Japan. Merits of the Plague is a famous book written originally in which language? So it's in Arabic. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க. inspireacademy@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோக்கு வந்துட்டு லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.